What's good, y'all? It's Chopper here, and I'm back with another Chopper racing video. Today we're gonna go take Big Red to get a nice little detail, and I'll probably give y'all some footage of me driving inside. But how y'all doing, man? What y'all been up to? What's going on? Drop some comments down below. Like the video from now. Help me out, you know, and let me show you guys how dirty Big Red is, so y'all can get an idea of the type of detail it's about to get. So let me flip it around and show you guys. So here it is. Let me just show y'all real quick the amount of dirt that's on this thing. You see that? Y'all picking that up? So it's about to look like a brand new animal. It's gonna look brand new. Going to one of my boys, Manny hand wash over here in Brooklyn. I think his Instagram is Manny hand wash 787 or hand wash 7. I'll drop the link in the description of his Instagram so you guys can check him out. But here it is. Let's see how dirty this is, man. Oh my God, I hate having this car like this. Look at this. Look at this right here. Jesus. Without further ado, let's go. Let's take this ride, and I'll see y'all in a little bit. What's up, y'all? We inside Big Red. She's driving a little rough because I gotta change the spark plug on her, and I changed a few things, so I need to retune again. For the most part, sound good. I don't know if y'all can hear her, but she's sounding alright. Alright, so we're here at my boy Manny. Manny, what's up, bro? Huh? Talk to my subscribers, let them know what's going on.
Hacer un milagro aquí. Aunque esto está limpio.
You gotta tell him in English, though.
No, me no speak English.
He getting ready. He got all the stuff in the van. This is colorless right here. Let me show you. I know he got that sandwich on top of there, but he has some rims on this. I guess he took them off. But he do the old school thing, old school Puerto Rican vibes. So y'all see what's going on here. Let's see how this goes down. We're gonna detail inside for me. Everything. Engine bay, outside, machine wax, machine polish and wax. We're doing it all today on this one, so stay tuned. I'll show you some work in a little bit.
good.
What you was drinking? You was drinking some beers?
Huh?
What beers you like to drink?
I don't like to drink. To
Drink beers?
drink. No.
What you drink?
Water is better.
Water? Yeah.
I mean,
You don't drink beer, you drink water?
no.
But how many beers you had today?
Today, yeah, barrel line,
9?
barrel line, say two.
2?
Two.
2 beers only?
Of course.
You 2 cases probably, not 2 beers. 2 beers? You're not feeling like that with 2 beers, no.
No, tell me not.
2 beers? Tell me the truth. How many beers?
Let's say two.
2 beers only? And how you
Today.
feel? How you feel right now? How you feel?
Very good.
Only 2 beers?
For today,
How about
Today,
last
say-
night? How about from 12 before 12 o'clock? How many beers?
forget it yesterday. I don't give me fuck yesterday. You know what? In my mind,
It's
Yesterday?
only today. Only
Only
in your
today.
mind, only today. That's
Only
it.
today,
2
yeah.
beers.
two beers.
That's it. And got you feeling like this.
Of course.
How you
Beer,
feel?
good,
Great?
very good. And you know, I like it
You
on
can
my,
stand on
my
one leg? You can stand on one leg?
Of course.
Let me see. Let me see you stand on one leg. Yo, my man was drunk. His son came out and go get him. Oh my God.
Give me a shout out. Give me a shout out. Take the shot.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, right there.
Oh, my man right here. He want a shout out. What do you want to tell the people?
Hi, boy.
Huh?
I drink Jose Cuervo.
Jose Cuervo? It's good?
Only say hi.
All right. All right.
He's the best.
Oh, what's your name? What's your name?
Ah,
What's your name?
Diego Rivera.
Diego Rivera. Yo, everybody want to give shout outs today. I don't know what's going on. This Sunday got everybody going crazy here. It's crazy, but my boy Manny right here, he finished, and boy Manny finished my car. What's up, Manny? You want to tell him anything? Yo, this guy right here, come here, Manny. Come on, man.
que a mí no me
Come
gusta
here,
hablar
bro.
mucho,
Nah,
a mí me gusta
Come
actuar.
talk to everybody over here.
Yo.
Talk to all my subscribers. Let
Yo.
them know.
I don't like
How
to
long
talk,
you
I
been
like
doing
to
this?
work for
How
years.
long you been doing this?
Muchas de esa gente son hijos míos.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, man, you hitting them with the Spanglish, huh?
Yo, half
Yo.
of the people is my sons.
Hopefully I don't got to pay a lot, though, right?
No.
You gonna give me a good deal?
Yeah, 250.
250? Nah, not no 250. Huh? Let me show y'all though. Let me show y'all what's going on here. What's up? What y'all think? What y'all think about this job? Y'all think it's worth 250? You ain't charge me no goddamn 250. Your man's right here. It's the details right here. Y'all see that? Toothbrush action from you. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Let me hit y'all with this B-roll. And I'll see y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, and tune in, man. I got some more videos. I hope y'all had fun, had a few laughs today. And y'all see my man Manny hand wash. He got busy today, so let me take this car back to the garage. I'll see y'all. Love y'all. Chopper out of here.